Hey, what's up? I'm Courtney, also known as Self-Care Creature, and I work with creative individuals to help you deepen your intuition, raise your self-worth, and spread your awareness so that you can live a truly fulfilled and empowered existence. Hey there! I've had a lot of people asking me, especially in the new year, how they can work with me, how they can start to build a foundation for their self-care lifestyle, how to get support in their self-care journey, even though those aren't the exact words that they're using. I know that you are out there wanting to feel more fulfilled in your life. You want to feel less frustration. You actually want to feel happy, like you're out of these perpetuated stress cycles instead of constantly finding yourself back at square one. I lived my life that way for an extremely long time. And there are a couple of ways that you can work with me if you are looking for support. So I created the Well Self program. That is my first and signature course. It helps you build a foundation of your self-care lifestyle. It's a 4-week program and you can do it on your own, or you can get assistance with one-on-one contact with me. This program helps individuals develop self-awareness, personal values, and self-acceptance, and really just feel like you have that solid foundation for knowing who you are, what you stand for, and how you want to show up in the world. When you sign up for this course, you get lifetime access, whether that is the DIY option or the one-on-one option with me. Lifetime access forever, for the lifetime of the course, including all updates and things to come. This also includes access to the growing community and comment threads that we have going on in that course. You get 5 weeks of one-on-one correspondence with me if you sign up for that one-on-one piece. So every single week we are checking in. You get to watch the video content and then we come together and we check in. I ask you how you're doing, how you're supporting yourself, and then of course we can expand out and talk about anything else that you want to in the midst of that. These are 30-minute calls for every week for 4 weeks, and then the 5th week we take a step back because you're going to need some time to really integrate all of this information that you have, and we'll continue to connect and correspond via WhatsApp, which is an international encrypted messaging and video system, if you haven't heard of it. Also, between our one-on-one calls, you have access to me via WhatsApp, so you can ask questions, give comments, just like, anything that comes up for you during this time that you are doing this work in the course. You have access to me, so take advantage of that. It's a really, really great, solid coaching foundation for you to launch yourself off into having a foundation of your self-care lifestyle. If you are watching this in January 2021, I'm opening up this opportunity to work with me one-on-one right now, and the doors are open through Sunday, January 24th at midnight. So grab your spot while you still can. I have very limited availability. I know that there are other entrepreneurs out there on the internet that have like hundreds of clients at a time, and I don't have the bandwidth for that. I believe that I need to keep my clients' cohorts and groups and client loads very small so that you can get the time and attention that you deserve. I am not overstretching myself. I want to be here with you and for you. So there's only 7 slots available. That's open. The doors are open until January 24th. You don't have to get started. The latest date to get started is February 8th. So you have to enroll and sign up by the 24th of January, but you don't have to get going until February 8th. So that's an awesome perk. If you're watching this at another time, the DIY 4-week course of Well Self is open at any time. Whenever I do open the one-on-one option, if you've already bought the course, I do send out an email offering a slightly discounted rate so that you're not kind of paying extra for the course that you already have if you do want to work with me one-on-one in the future. The one-on-one option is just not open 24/7. The other way that you can work with me is through the online movement space that has opened up recently. So this is a comprehensive online studio type space, and you can work with me for it's $44 a month currently in January. These are introductory prices, and you get a one-on-one check-in with me, 30-minute check-in with me every single month. So it's absolutely a steal of a deal. I've had many friends, colleagues, and business mentors tell me that I should raise that price, and for whatever reason right now, this is just where it's at. So snag it while you can. This is especially for people who
are self-motivated, who just need a little bit of a check-in and that little bit of accountability. So again, that's a once a month check-in. You have access to the self-care collection, which was another course that I launched a year ago now. And it's a collection of all of my self-care tools and things that I have kind of gathered along the way as I've cultivated this self-care path. And that is only available via the Connect membership, which is that membership that you get access to me. I also want to mention there are no hidden fees. You can cancel at any time. You are also locked into this low rate, so you are not at risk of the rate ever increasing on you whenever you do sign up at that rate. You also get access to any live classes that I host. You get access to all of the recorded classes that go and live in the replay room. Access to my Foundations to Yoga course, Foundations to Functional Movement, my ebook for Real Food Matters, how to kind of get in the rhythms of nature and how to eat with those rhythms. It's a lot of things that you get access to for $44 a month. So if you are a self-starter and you feel like you just want that accountability, I highly recommend jumping on that. I do have limited space for that too, but right now it's open. So this is just to let you know exactly how you can work with me, what I offer, and I hope that it resonates. Of course, if you have any questions, you can feel free to drop some comments, send me an email, or slide into my DMs on Instagram. Thanks for being here.